coming to the Lauderstein-Conway Massage School. Join us for a transformative 6-hour continuing education course on massage for scoliosis. This in-depth course will teach you the latest techniques and best practices for effectively treating clients with scoliosis. You'll learn how to tailor your massage approach to alleviate pain, improve mobility, and enhance overall well-being. Led by longtime faculty Tammie Culley, this course combines hands-on practice with comprehensive theoretical knowledge. You'll leave equipped with the skills and confidence to make a real difference in the lives of those with scoliosis. Don't miss this opportunity to advance your career and broaden your expertise. Sign up today and take the next step in your professional journey. For more information and registration, click the link in this post or go to tlcmassageschool.com.